Good morning, everybody. Gary Porter again. We're looking at the spark gap over here on the L1 side, and the new diode composites are the HER 508 diodes that Sergey suggested using, and they work a lot better than the microwave diodes. I'm keeping L1 with the 147 individual wires, and I believe it's 6 turns. And let me swing over here a little bit, and the L1 is tuned with some caps in parallel and a couple in series with parallel with it's 2.2 10,000 volts in parallel with 0.0005, so that's 0.5 nanofarads in parallel with 2.2 nanofarads. That's to tune L1. Zoom back out again. And what we've got over here is my first attempt at output transformer, and it's made up of two layers of 50 turns, 15 gauge bifilar on the primary. This is all wound on ferrite donut cores. I think there's 10 of them in there, and they're about 3 inches in diameter, and about a 1 1/8 inch hole in the center, and they have an epoxy coating, but the first layer was insulating the ferrite from the primary itself. Aluminum foil is the next layer, about 390 degrees in a circle around it, not 360. And that's tied to ground. Down a little lower, you'll see I put the bridge rectifiers in series, 3 of those right across the primary. That'll short out any negative events that are going on, and so I just get positive energy flowing into the primary. Secondary on this transformer is some weird speaker wire I got. It's in a pair, so I wound 10 rows, and I brought the 4 wires to the output so I can mess around with bifilar and whatever. Spark gap over here is the same as the L1 side. Magnets and a couple of brass screws. And over here we've got the scope set up, and I'm going to try to show you if I can get this thing adjusted right here. Now I've got the scope set on 1 centimeter is 1,000 volts, and I want to show you just how quick this thing goes up. So once you hear the arcing occurring, you should see this channel 1 is 1,000 volts per centimeter. So this should zip up there pretty fast. There's 1,000. There's about 2,000. It'll finally peak out at about 3,000. If I mess around with L1, I can slide L1 back towards the voltage side and get it to go up to about 3,000. And let me swing back here, and you can see the spark gap doing its thing. And that's it for today. Have a good weekend.